Good morning guys. So let's look at the levels we can keep on radar for today. After a gap up opening, you can see like Nifty is completely bullish, trading above VWAP. So trend is completely bullish and sentiment are positive. While Bank Nifty is trading near the resistance, and we can say it is facing the resistance around 44,000. So a sustained breakout from 44,000 to 44,100 is required for further upside movement. If you look at the OI data, you can see this is the max pain around 44,000, and immediate you can say strong support is around 43,500 and resistance is around 44,500 in Bank Nifty. And in Nifty you can see this 18,300 is acting as a max pain, and while resistance is around support is around 18,200 and resistance is around 18,500, right? And today we can see that people are shifting their call position from 18,200 300 to higher levels to 18,400 500. And you can see like people are adding more put here in Nifty. So we can say that trend is completely bullish and people are shifting their calls from lower levels to higher levels, that indicate that this trend will continue. Now if we look at the intraday trend looks completely bullish in Nifty and neutral in Bank Nifty. So when intraday trend is bullish, we can sell put, and to sell put we can check what is the immediate support. So 18,300 is not the immediate support. PCR is 1.7, so immediate support is around 18,200. so you can sell 18,200 put option. While following this data, if you find that Nifty is trying to sustain, like trying to give a breakdown from 18,300, you can just adjust your position. For Bank Nifty, when trend looks neutral, I prefer to create a neutral trade, or you can say strangle, sorry. And to create a neutral trade, first we have to find support and resistance, and you can see 44,200 is acting as the immediate resistance. Like PCR is 0.36 and support is around 43,700. So 43,700 to 44,200 is the range we can expect until we are not getting any further breakdown or breakout. So you can create a strangle beyond this range, this 44,200 and 43,700. So you can sell 43,500 and on the downside call a put option, and you can sell 44,500 or 44,400 call option, just to create a neutral trade. So we keep following this Excel sheet. That is our premium Excel sheet that we shared with our mentorship students. So I hope you knew the levels which we need to track for today. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like the video, you can just subscribe and you can like the video. Thank you for watching this video. Have a profitable day.